In August 2023, more than 22 churches across Pakistan were attacked by mobs of Muslim extremists in response to accusations against two Christians facing blasphemy charges. Churches were torched, crosses torn down, and Bibles destroyed.
And I'm here at one of those churches that came under attack. Yet, thanks to the support of Help the Persecuted, this church was able to reopen, and today they're able to worship. We're going to go inside now and hear the story from their pastor about the extreme persecution they've endured.
And Pastor Noman looks back at that devastating day.
They came with 3,000 people and with a crane, with bulldozers, and we tried to stop them, and in between they hated us, they beated us with the rods, and it was uncontrollable situation for us, and I was badly beaten by them. I have a stomach problem, my liver was damaged very badly, and still I'm taking the medicine and having some treatments because I'm not very fine.
However, Pastor Noman shares his extreme appreciation for how Christian ministry helped the persecuted, enabled them to restore their building and reopen as a church again.
And we are so much thankful for Help the Persecuted. They told us that we are going to help you for building the church. By the grace of God, Help the Persecuted team, they helped us, and now you can see the church. We have a new building, new roof, and we are praying for the people who supported us, and they are really apple of our eye.
And he concluded by requesting ongoing prayer as they continue to deal with the emotional trauma of this attack.
I have fear in my heart. It could be happened again like this situation, and I'm getting the threats and my life is in danger. And please keep remember me in your prayer, my ministry, my people, my church, so we can never ever face this kind of the incident again in our life.
And Help the Persecuted remains committed to helping many more persecuted Christians like Pastor Noman throughout Pakistan and the Islamic world, where they're now working in 15 countries. In the last year alone, more than 100,000 persecuted Christians were rescued, restored and rebuilt because of their ministry. Peter Wooding reporting for the Global News Alliance in Pakistan.